If you buy a 2026 Sea-Doo 325, the dealership will gladly sell you a ladder and charge you over $450 for the ladder and installation. But the truth is, you can install the OEM Sea-Doo Ladder yourself in about 10 to 15 minutes for under half the price. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This is my 2026 Sea-Doo 325. And on this channel, I've been documenting upgrades, performance tests, and accessories for the ski. If you want to see a full overview of this Sea-Doo, I also have a full video on the channel where I go through all the technology and features. One thing that surprised me is that the 2026 Sea-Doo 325 doesn't come with a boarding ladder from the factory. Without one, getting back onto the ski from the water is actually pretty difficult. So today I'm installing the OEM Sea-Doo Ladder, and I'll walk you through the entire installation step by step. If you want the exact ladder I'm installing, I'll put the link in the description below. Inside the kit, you'll get the OEM Sea-Doo Ladder, the mounting bracket, and stainless mounting hardware. For tools, you'll just need a socket wrench and a pair of pliers. This 2026 Sea-Doo 325 already has the factory mounting points built into the hole, so installing the ladder is very straightforward. These holes right here are where the ladder bracket mounts. First, position the mounting bracket over the factory holes. Then insert the bolts and start tightening them down. Make sure the bracket sits flush before tightening everything completely. Now tighten the bolts evenly until everything is secure. You don't need to over tighten them. Just make sure the bracket is snug. Once the bracket is installed, the ladder attaches directly to the hinge mount. And that's it. The ladder folds down like this when you need it, and folds up out of the way when you're riding. This makes it much easier to climb back onto the ski from the water. If you're interested in this 2026 Sea-Doo 325, I also have other videos on this channel, including a full overview of the ski, my SCOM upgrade, top speed testing, riding in cold early spring water, and the best phone mount for Sea-Doo. And again, this entire install took less than 15 minutes, which is a lot better than paying the dealership over $450 to do it for you. If you want the OEM Sea-Doo ladder I installed, check the link in the description below. And if you enjoy Sea-Doo upgrades and riding videos, subscribe, because I've got a lot more coming out on this 2026 Sea-Doo 325.